Hey y'all, it's Anna O, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a brake light. It's super quick and easy to do and doesn't require hardly any tools, and even if you don't save a bunch of money by doing it yourself, it's totally worth saving yourself the hassle of taking it somewhere. You'll need a replacement bulb. This is what it looks like. This is part number 3157. These are the Sylvania Long Life ones that I had in there, and I don't think I've changed it in I think it's been like at least 10 years. You will need one Phillips head screwdriver. Access the brake light assembly by opening the lift gate. There are 2 screws to remove. Once that's free, it looks like we've got 1 screw at the top and 2 at the bottom to remove. Can I just disconnect the electrical connector by pressing down on the tab and pulling? There we go. And the gaskets are all loose and dirty. And you can press them back down into place. There are these little tabs around each bulb to hold the gasket in place. And you can see I've got a lot of dirt in here, and just clean that up. And really, if I were doing this properly, I would put bulb grease on all of these gaskets when I was done, but I'm not going to do that today. You know, you really should. I really should have, but I'm going to get in here. I'm going to get in here in a couple days, hopefully. I don't know, we'll see. And I just want to do something else. Anyway, okay, so this is the bulb that's bad, and the filament looks connected, but look at that little wiggle. All right, anyway, let's replace this one. Wear a rubber glove to handle the new bulb. Pry out the old bulb with a flathead screwdriver or some other implement. I don't know if your fingers aren't strong enough to pry those little teeth apart. And then just pull them out. Sorry for the bad angle, but I think you get the idea. There we go. Uh-oh. We got a little melt. Yep. So I'm going to pry out the rest of that melted plastic out of the receptacle. So I guess it's the top wire that's the brake light, and then the bottom wire is the tail light. Anyway, let's get him in there. Even if you're wearing gloves, try to handle the bulb by the base as you press it into the socket, just to keep it from breaking. Wipe off any fingerprints, dust, anything else. A little alcohol would help too to clean those off properly. Reinstall the board onto the assembly. You really should have a piece of cardboard down if you're going to do it this way and not scratch up your brake light assembly. Anyway, replace the screws by hand first, and then you can take off your gloves and tighten those bad boys down with your screwdriver, and then we are ready to reinstall. Make sure you hear and feel that electrical connector click into place, and then tug on it a little bit gently just to make sure it's seated properly. Reinstall the assembly. Align the guide pins into the grooves. And reinstall your screws. Most importantly, check your work once you're done. Ensure the new light is functioning as it should.